Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to simply access Google Gemini AI tool on web without installing any apps on your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Chrome browser. I'm going to click on here just to open up my Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to create a new tab. The next thing you need to do is to simply type in google.com right here. Google.com. Then click on search. Then you'll be taken to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to click on this icon. Click on that and it's going to give you all Google apps. Now right here, so it's going to give you all Google apps that you can simply use on web. Now you can simply scroll down right here and then you have Gemini right here. What you need to do is simply click on Gemini and we redirect you to another page whereby you have access to Google Gemini. Now right here, you can come to the top right here and switch from Google Gemini 2.0 and choose to another type of different version of Google Gemini. You can head over to experimental. Then you are using experimental flash thinking. It may not always work as expected. You can go back here again and switch from experimental to deep research. So this depends on anyone you want to use. So deep research here is a new tool that was added into Google Gemini. So what you do right here next is to simply click on Ask Gemini. So research create trend for my marketing strategy, research sensor trend for my robotic essay, research battery tech for a marketing analysis, research floor eating for a bedroom model. These are default questions. If you click on it and in a few seconds, this deep research here is going to simply generate the result as far as your question is concerned. You can see the result right here. You can scroll down and then you see all the result right here. Then right here, you can simply click on Start Research right here after giving you a So just like what you see right here, in a few seconds, Google Gemini was able to give us step by step on how we can simply carry out our deep research as far as this is concerned. So you can scroll down and read detail. And here you can go ahead and explore the tool and see how best you can use it to carry out deep research in your next project. This is very good for academics. Okay, so you can also come back to Google Gemini right here and switch to another one right here. Personalization experiment help based on your research history. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply access Google Gemini on web without installing any app on your phone. I hope you really got fun for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.